Hey, hi, this is Yoga. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I had told earlier, let's cook some code today. I'll give a simple introduction of the library that we are going to use today. tkinter. tkinter is a standard graphical user interface library for Python and provides an easy way to create GUI applications in Python. We'll go in depth slowly. For now, let's have some fun exploring. As you can see on the screen, this is the Jupyter Notebook homepage. We'll go to New. We are creating a Python script, so we'll choose a text file. Later on, we'll change it to .py file, project1.py. From tkinter, import star. This line basically imports the functions and built-in modules from the tkinter library so that we can use it in our application. To create an application window with title bars, we have to use this function root equal to tk. To set the size of the window, we have to use this function root.geometry, and we'll give a size of 300 cross 300 maybe. Let's set the title of the window, and for that we have to call the function root.title. We'll give some title, maybe project 1, could be anything. What are widgets? GUI has various controls, say labels, buttons, radio buttons, scroll bars, text boxes, and these are called as widgets. Let's create a widget which gives information of other widgets that are used in the application. Label, root, which is the main object, text equal to let's make it fun. Font, maybe we'll assign Arial. We'll give a size as well, maybe 20, and we'll make it bold. Pack. Pack is a function which packs all the widgets one after the another in the window. Let's create one more widget which tells what user has to do it. Label, root again, which is the object, text, click it. Basically the user has to click a button. Font, maybe we'll give the same Arial and we'll assign some size. And place is a function and which helps to place the widget in a particular coordinates. Let's define a function def, maybe function name could be word game, and this is how a function get defined in Python. Let's create some variables and get input from the user. Action equal to input, double quotes, enter a action name, single quote. So basically this is not correct. When you start with double quote, end with double quote. When you start with single quote, end with the single quote. Place, input, enter a place name. We'll create one more variable, maybe action2, input, enter some action name. I'll add some colon. Object, input, enter an object name. Action3, input, enter some action. We'll create another variable. Funny creature, input, enter some funny creature name. Place2, input, enter some place name. Let's print some paragraph and we'll make use of these variables. So here comes the concept string concatenation. So the plus operator is a mathematical operation. But it depends on the left hand side and right hand side of the plus symbol. So basically if it is a string, it will do string concatenation. So plus action plus basically it will add the word and it will concatenate with the left hand side of the string and right hand side of the string. And the string should be in single quotes. Now the print statement is finished. Okay, when I tried pressing enter, as you can see it is getting indented, which means there is a problem in the code, which we'll look into it later. Let's create a button root, text, maybe it depends on the text. I'm giving a name of a day in my life. Font, we'll try to assign Arial as same and we'll give it as some size. And here comes command. So what happens is when the user clicks the button, the function word game gets called. And we'll give some background color which is white and we'll place it on some coordinates. Now we have to call the function which runs the main loop. We'll save it. We'll go back to the home page. For running the script, we have to open the terminal. We'll try to run the script. Python space project1.py. As you can see on the screen, exactly line number 30, the error is there and it is on the print statement. We'll go back to the code and we'll check that. As I had said earlier, the concatenation part, the string should start with the single quote and it ends with the single quote. As you can see, plus place to plus. So in this you can see the string has started from full stop. He was wearing nice pajama which he bought from a single quote ended already, plus we are concatenating this place to, and one more plus is there. After that a single quote is there, which is not correct because after that there is no more string. So there is no point in having this single quote as well as plus. So it has to be removed. Now it is corrected. Make sure to save the code. Let's jump into the terminal. Let's try to run the script. We got into one more error and it is in line number 18 and it is telling that text minus is given instead of text equal to. Okay, let's correct it. Equal to. Again, make sure to save it. Let's run the script. Yes. Okay. It has launched the application as you can see on the bottom of the screen. Click it. Yeah, the window has been launched and you can see it has the title and it has a heading and it has the label. Click it. So let's click the button. Yes. Enter action name. Maybe painter. Enter a place name. Maybe heaven. Let some action fight. Object name, maybe toothpaste. Let's enter some action, maybe gargling. Enter some funny creature name, ghost. Enter a place name, restaurant. Okay, and here comes the output. It was Sunday, early in the morning. I woke up around 6 a.m. I painted my teeth and went to heaven with my friends. I came back around 8 a.m. and I started having fight with my family. For breakfast, toothpaste was served and it was so yummy. One of my friends joined us for gargling and he's basically a ghost. He was wearing pajama which he bought from a restaurant. It's so funny, right? Basically, we had created a Mad Lib generator game. Without realizing, we had created an interactive and interesting game in short time.
So what did we learn in this video? We used tkinter for a simple GUI application. We saw a few programming concepts like function definition, user input, string concatenation. We had fun making some useful code.
I'll come up with one more cool project next time. I'll see you in another interesting video. Until then, bye-bye.